Dear friend, welcome to Virendra Diya's channel. This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, a very proud Indian and a man belong to the whole earth because my philosophy is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Atma Sarvhutesu. You can say in other words, the incarnation of Buddha, Vivekananda and all the greatest of the human beings who really graced this planet earth. I really love every citizen of the world, and there are near about 8 billion people on earth. So the leaders of the world who really love mankind, they should focus on enlightening and educating the citizens of the earth, because Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole earth is our citizen, and education is what? Thinking how to do new discovery, new invention, make the lives of the people very comfortable by innovation and new techniques. That is already happening. But there are very few select people, these kind of engagement they are having. The majority of the people who belongs to the political class, you see, all over the world there is war going on, there is hate going on, there is criminal assault by some of the selfish people who want to come in power. Look at Burma, look at Afghanistan, and look at some other countries, Pakistan and China. They are hegemonistic. They want to really gain power on earth. So that is the necessity of the Mother Earth, that all the inhabitants, not only mankind, but birds, beasts, animals and plants, they should be protected, and that needs wisdom, enlightenment. Only then we can really create a world where there is a joy, where there is happiness, where there is serenity, where there is tranquility, and all are living in perfect peace and harmony. Education is important. We want nothing. We have to learn how to sacrifice ourselves to see that the world survives. The Mother Earth is really rich, can provide for everyone. The world has room for everyone. But the greedy people, they want to grab power like the Talibans, and like some of the families in India also, the dynasty rulers, they want to come in power again and make India worst country in the world, because they prosper at the cost of the common masses. They divide India on the basis of caste, creed, race, religion, and they never think about the progress of the mass, the progress of every citizen of India, because India has citizens. They are not caste or creed. These were some of the orthodox and conservative ideas in long ancient time. Now there has to be some kind of enlightening, awakening impact in the minds and hearts and souls of the people of India. But in its character, we need some sorts of people like Subhash Chandra Bose. Even Sardar Patel was weak. He was dominated by Jawaharlal Nehru. He became slave and timid. He could not do exactly what he should have done. He was given the opportunity to become the Prime Minister of India, but to please Nehru, and he pleased Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he surrendered himself to the hegemonistic approach of these petty politicians. I, being a patriot, I love more than my life to the people of India, to my sisters and brothers, so that I live or not, but my country should live, my sisters and brothers, my daughters and sons should live and make India proud. I wish the story of Rabindranath Tagore, the dreams of Rabindranath Tagore should be fulfilled, where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world is not divided into political wars, fragments of narrow domestics, caste, creed, race and religion, where the untiring efforts is unfolding, where there is a peace, truth, joy, happiness for everyone, where all are loving each other, they are working diligently, intelligently, with full measure of devotion and passion, and where there is spiritual power. The world is one. We are all united. We have to create a world where there is a peace and happy and progress for everyone, where there is a peace. These were the dreams of the greatest Indians like Rabindranath Tagore and so many great, Buddha, Vivekananda. who can forget sisters and brothers of America. Where are these people gone? This is the real caste. This is the real creed. This is the real recognition and identification of India. We, the people of India, are going to lead the world towards peace, joy, happiness, enlightenment, not battles on caste, creed, race, or religion to grab power on dynasty and family roles. There are a lot of in India, you can count from top. Nehru's family, Lallu family, Mulayam family, the son ki Budhiya, Mamata family. All these families, they want to come in power and ruin the common people of my sisters and brothers. They don't think to create a temper of scientific growth, progress, joy, happiness, peace, enlightening mind. It is very sad to see people get some degrees, but they never learn what is life. They never behave in a disciplined way. The chaotic India, the complex Indian society, what we need, the teachings of Vivekananda, the teachings and philosophy of Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, the teachings of the greatest of the greats who really want to bring heaven on earth, who really love people, who really love every bird, beast, animal, plants, to see the best in all, to be best with all, and to find the good in all. This earth will be a much better place. Thank you, viewers. Arise, awake, and stop not till the dreams of this Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, is realized for the world happiness, for everyone, for you, for me, for cattle, for birds, fish, animal, plants. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. This broadcast is coming to you, one of the temple of India, where learning is there, where philanthropic activity is there, where people live and die for others, saving lives. But what I am teaching you, save your own honesty, integrity and humility, generosity. Being human being is not enough. You have to be rational. You have to get rid of all your evil and impure thoughts. And you have to rise to the occasion to really create kindness, compassion, generosity, truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. Thank you, viewers.